Welcome to Learn English YouTube channel. This video has 3 steps: story, vocabulary, and quiz time. Can you answer all 10 questions? Watch closely. Answers are hidden in the video.
Hello everyone. My name is Anna. Today I want to tell you about myself and my family. And I'm so happy to share about myself and my family with you. I'm 17 years old. I'm a high school student and I live with my family. I have many hobbies, but my favorites are cooking and doing yoga. I started cooking when I was around 12 years old. At first I made simple things like pasta and eggs. But now I can cook more complicated meals and I really enjoy trying new recipes from different countries. Yoga is also a big part of my daily life. I usually do yoga in the mornings or in the evenings. It helps me feel relaxed, focused, and strong. In my free time, I enjoy listening to music, watching videos, and relaxing at home. I also like learning new things and spending time with my family. Let me tell you a bit about my family now. My mother is 40 years old. She is a kind and hardworking woman. Just like me, she loves cooking. Sometimes we cook together, especially on weekends. She also enjoys reading books. Her favorite types of books are novels and biographies. She often tells me stories from the books she reads. I love listening to her. My father is 50 years old. That means he is 10 years older than my mother. He is from Germany and my mother is from France. They met many years ago and now we live in a city where both cultures are part of our lives. Sometimes we eat German food. Sometimes we eat French food. It's fun to have both traditions at home. I also have one sibling. I have a younger brother. He is 15 years old. He likes video games, playing football, and watching movies. Sometimes we fight, but most of the time we get on well. We like watching cartoons or comedy shows together. He also helps me with my school homework sometimes.
Now it's vocabulary time with Anna.
So, now let's learn some important vocabulary with me. Complicated. Meaning, describes something that is hard. Example: this math problem is complicated for me. Recipe. Meaning, a recipe tells you how to cook something. It shows the ingredients and steps. Example: my mom gave me a recipe for her delicious soup. Spend time. Meaning, use your time doing something. Example: she spends time reading books. Especially. It is meaning, more than others or more importantly. Example: I'm tired today, especially after the long meeting. Novel. Meaning, a book with a long story. Example: she loves reading romantic novels. Biography. Meaning, a real story about someone's life. Example: he's writing a biography of a famous artist. Tradition. Meaning, something people always do in a group or culture. Example: New Year celebrations are an old tradition. Sibling. Meaning your brother or sister. Example: I have one sibling. Fight. Meaning, to argue or hit because you are angry. Example: I don't like to fight with my brother. Get on well phrasal verb. Meaning, have a good relationship. Example: Anna and her brother get on well.
Now it's quiz time with Anna.
And now let's start mini quiz time. Question 1: how many people are in Anna's family? Question 2: what is Anna's mom's age? Question 3: where is Anna's father from? Question 4: how old is Anna's brother? Question 5: what does Anna love doing? Question 6: how many siblings does Anna have? Question 7: where is Anna's mother from? Question 8. Is Anna's father older than her mother? Question 9. Do Anna and her brother get on well? Question 10. How old is Anna? And the quiz is finished. What's your answer? Let's meet in the comments.
Thank you for watching and listening. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video.